Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Long thick eyelashes look very beautiful and make your eyes look bigger. Today I'm going to show you how I take care of my lashes. This simple remedy will help your eyelashes grow longer, thicker, and become healthy and beautiful in just a few days. It will also ensure less fallout. So, right before going to bed, you wash your face and remove any makeup you have on your face and eyes. You just need your Vaseline, which is also known as petroleum jelly for this remedy. Take a little Vaseline on your finger and rub it between your fingers to warm it up. When it's nice and warm, gently massage your upper lash line with your finger. Vaseline is extremely hydrating, which is great for dry lashes. Massage your outer corner as well and make sure not to get Vaseline in your eye. The moisture in the balm is a great way to prevent any brittle lashes which might break. It provides excellent conditioning and moisturizing for lashes that are dry and brittle. Then grab your lashes gently between your fingers and rub them just like you would apply mascara to your lashes. It helps them grow longer, thicker, and stronger. Its moisturizing properties can help the skin around the eyelids stay smooth and supple. Then, gently massage your lower lash line and lower lid with whatever you have left on your fingers. Moisturized and supple skin means less wrinkles. So, it's a double bonus. In the morning, wash your face normally and follow this routine every day. You will notice your lashes will become thicker, stronger, and healthier, and you will see a reduced fallout. I hope you liked my video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment in the section below. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.